lose weight with these delicious turmeric recipes. Even though many people have given up on miracle methods, there are healthy alternatives that support weight loss. This can happen without exposing the body to undesirable side effects. However, it's also always necessary to have a good diet and exercise. In this article, we'd like to recommend turmeric, a spice that's rich in nutrients. Besides helping you lose weight, it promotes general well-being. Try this remedy at home. Why use turmeric to lose weight? Turmeric, curcuma longa, is one of the medicinal spices that has been used since antiquity to benefit humans. It comes from the same family as ginger, the Zinabraceae family. It's a condiment full of nutrients that strengthen mental and physical well-being. People value its multiple gastronomic applications. This is due to the fact that its mild spicy flavor and its color are ideal to give a special touch to dishes. However, turmeric also stands out in the area of alternative medicine and diets. This is why it's the base for many cures that improve body functions. For example, its moderate and regular consumption is a 100 natural complement for those people who are trying to lose weight in a healthy manner. The benefits of turmeric. Its principal active component, turmeric, has detoxing effects, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties that improve metabolic health. In addition, it helps re-establish movements that promote the elimination of waste that accumulates in the intestine. Its nutrients strengthen liver health and help to maintain a balance of bile, the key to the digestion of fats. It contains vitamins, minerals and a bit of protein that helps to maintain the body vital and full of energy. Plus, turmeric protects against cell damage, since its antioxidants stop the negative action of free radicals. It also helps to control cholesterol levels and strengthen cardiovascular health. Turmeric remedy to lose weight. One of the great advantages of turmeric is that you can easily combine it with other ingredients. Doing this will strengthen its healthy properties. In this case, we'll teach you to prepare a drink with lemon and cinnamon. These two added ingredients have interesting effects on losing weight. This is an infusion low in calories and 100 natural. The effects increase your metabolic rhythm while controlling anxiety. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 cup of hot water, the juice of 1/2 lemon, pinch of cinnamon, ½ teaspoon of honey. Preparation: Add the turmeric to a cup of hot water. Let it dissolve well and mix with the lemon juice and cinnamon. Make sure it's well mixed, then add the honey. Directions. Drink the infusion before and after breakfast. If desired, repeat an hour after lunch. Drink for 2 weeks, refrain for 2 weeks and drink again. Contraindications. This drink shouldn't be consumed by patients with liver problems or gallstones. If taking medications, it's best to consult doctor. Ask if it interferes with the effectiveness of your medications. You should not drink this if you are taking anticoagulants. Other considerations. Turmeric, like all natural ingredients, can do a lot for your health. Nevertheless, it's important to realize that the effects aren't immediate. It will, however, begin to improve body functions from the start. Its properties will cause a positive effect after a few weeks. Because of this, if the objective is to lose weight, don't imagine you'll be successful in just a few days. In other words, for it to be beneficial, you need to be patient. Does this encourage you to include turmeric in your diet? Prepare this natural recipe and find out how beneficial it is to lose weight.